Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Pineacker is borrowing more for defense spending, and we need to find the impact on business investment and long-run growth. Let's solve this fast. Increased government borrowing raises the demand for loanable funds in the economy. This shift pushes real interest rates higher, making it much more expensive for private firms to borrow money today. Higher interest rates lead to the crowding out effect, where business expenditures on plant and equipment decrease. Firms simply cannot afford to invest in new physical capital at these higher costs. Since investment in physical capital falls, the economy's productive capacity and long-run growth rate will both decrease. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush. Trust the given steps to see how borrowing reduces growth.